Hello friends, today we see the problem in Java for a bubble sort. The bubble sort it is a method of a sorting. It is a element arranged in the ascending order by swapping. So problem 1, bubble sort. So firstly create the method. So use static void bubble sort. Bubble sort is a function or a method in between the int for integer and squares and integer a and curly braces in between the integer n is equal to a dot length. It is the length of a, and then n minus 1 iteration passes for checking the condition. So use the for loop for int as an integer and I is equal to 0. It is the initialization and I is less than n. It is a condition and I plus plus in between the boolean function boolean flag is equal to false and semicolon. Semicolon indicate the end of line. Flag has any swapping happen, then use the for loop in between the int j is equal to 0 is equal to j is less than n minus I minus 1 and I plus plus. It is an increment operator. It is a last I element are already at a correct sorted position, so no need to check them. Then checking the if block. So if block between the a in between the square bracket j, it is in between the swapping of the I and j, and a is equal to j plus 1. Swap a j and j plus 1 and then int integer and a temp is a temporary for that is equal to a of array j square bracket showing the arrays and then a j is equal to a square bracket j plus 1 and semicolon and then a is equal to j plus 1 is equal to true. Is equal to temp, sorry. Then flag is equal to true. Some swap has happened. Then check the if block for have any swap happens. So not flag happen for checking if block and then return and then call the function. So use public static void main. Main is a function in between the string and square brackets arguments and close the braces. Then int array a is equal to curly braces in between the array values like a 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 6 or a 7 and end semicolon and bubble sort of a. Then for int I is equal to, it is a use for each loop, and then it is also type of for loop, and then system dot out dot println in between the I plus and colon true basis, sorry, and then output checking. So see, the output is in a vertical, so change the println is print and then again check, so it is in a vertical order. So 4 5 1 2 3 6 7, it is in a sorting. So any mistakes in code, sorry for. So debug the code. So firstly checking the conditions like n is equal to a is in a length, it's not correct, also it's in a I and I less than, sorry, for I n minus 1 in between the n minus 1, it is an has a swapping happen, and I plus plus boolean flag and a false, and j is I minus 1, it is an also correct, and j plus, sorry, j plus plus. So it is a part of debugging in the program. So swapping the element is correct. So int is equal to a is equal to j, and aj, it is written again, and e is equal to j plus 1, and a is equal to j plus 1 is equal to temp, and then a flag is equal to true, and swap happen, and then if block for not flag, then again run the. So see, it is in a ascending order for a 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Thank you.